Hello everyone, how are you all? I would like to welcome everyone to Mahdi English School online education. I am back again with a new session of mathematics. So my dear students, we will start our day with a meaningful thought. Thought for the day is: every day do something that will inch you closer to a better tomorrow. I would like to repeat this: every day do something that will inch you to closer to a better tomorrow. My dear students, this gives you a very positive message for your bright future, that each and every day you have to do something which makes you closer to your bright future. Every day try to learn something new. Don't pass the time. A very big and large best of luck to all my dear students for their bright future. Now we are going to start our session. As you all know that FA2 exams are going to come, and since last 3 lectures we make revision for the same. Today we are going to make the whole revision together. First of all, everyone sit straight, make your back straight. You all are welcome to my class. Okay? Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. Feel fresh. Feel happy. Write current date here. Date and day. Is everyone copying with me? Writing with me? Very good. Write the date and day here. Okay? Then write a revision FA2. Again, I would like to repeat that today we are going to make the whole revision together. The whole questions regarding the paper style, today we are going to make revise. So be ready for your revision. Yes, ready with your book and pencil, as you all have to copy the whole revision with me. Okay? Ready? First of all, here is the paper style. Fill in the blanks. Write the name of given shape. Add the following problem sums and complete the table. Okay? Everyone copy the heading FILL, fill, in the blanks, blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay? Now write down a square. SQUARE, square, has 4 equal sides. Make full stop. Everyone copy this blank in your book. A square has 4 equal sides. Look, these are the sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A triangle has three equal sides. A triangle triangle has three equal sides. Look, this is one side, 2 and 3. Everyone copy these blanks properly in your notebook. A square has 4 equal sides. A triangle has 3 equal sides. First letter must be capital. At the end you must put punctuation. Okay? Write the new blank. A rectangle has 4 equal sides. rectangle. Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Everyone copy this blank properly in your book. A rectangle has 4 equal sides. A circle is made up of one curved line. How? Look, this is circle and it is made up of one single curved line. It does not have any joint inside. CIRCLE. A circle is made up of one curved line. Everyone copy these blanks in your book. A rectangle has 4 equal sides. A circle is made up of one curved line. Okay? Done, everyone? Very good. Write the new blank. 59 is equal to 5 tens and 9 ones. How? This is ones place when this is tens place. So we can say that 59 is equal to 5 tens and 9 ones. Okay? Then we have number 88. 88 is equal to 8 tens and 8 ones. I am going to repeat both the blanks again. Everyone copy it in your book with a good handwriting. 59 is equal to 5 tens and 9 ones. 88 is equal to 8 tens and 8 ones. You all have to copy this properly in your books. As today we are going to make the whole revision of FA2. Okay? Completed? Look, here we have the blanks in a new form. We have to prepare the numbers. First is 9 tens and 3 ones is equal to dash. 9 tens and 3 ones is equal to dash. Which number it forms? 9 and 3. Together form number 93. Write down this blank in your book. 9 tens and 3 ones is equal to 93. Is everyone completed? You are with me now? Very good. 5 tens and 7 ones is equal to dash. Now look at there properly. Which number it forms? 5 and 7 together form number 5, 7, 57. 5 tens and 7 ones is equal to 57. 7 tens and 1 ones is equal to 71. 7 tens and 1 ones, 7 and 1 together form number 71. Okay? Write the name of a given shape. WRITE, write. THE, NAME, name. OF, GIVEN, given. SHAPE, shape. Write the name of a given shape. Look, which shape is presenting over there? Here we have square. So what you have to do? First of all, you have to draw the square with the help of scale only. Yes, work must be perfect. You have to try to make your work perfect. You have to take the help of scale to draw the shape. Make sure that all sides can be equal. Now look, which shape is this? This is square shape. What is the spelling of square? SQUARE, square. I am going to detect, write 3 times this spelling in your book with me. SQUARE, square. Everyone copy this. SQUARE, square. SQUARE, square. Okay? Draw the triangle, everyone, with the help of scale. Slanting line, and join it with sleeping line. Okay? Now here we are going to write the spelling. You have to copy this 3 times. TRIANGLE, triangle. Everyone copy with me. TRIANGLE, triangle. Last time. TRIANGLE, triangle. Okay? Now everyone draw the rectangle with the help of scale only. Look, these both sides must be same when these both sides must be same. As you all know that in rectangle the opposite sides are equal. Now we are going to write the spelling. RECTANGLE, a rectangle. One time completed, two times remaining. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Everyone completed? Very good. Now draw the circle with the help of bangle. This is circle. How can we write this? First of all, I am waiting for you so that you all can draw the circle well. Okay? Done everyone? Draw it with the help of bangle. Here we are going to write the spelling. First of all, I will dictate. After that, you all have to copy it in your book. Now, how many times we have to copy this? 3 times. You have to speak up as well as you have to copy it. CIRCLE, circle. Everyone copy this in your book. CIRCLE, circle. Last time. CIRCLE, circle. Okay? I hope you all have completed your work. So now move towards the next. Next exercise is add the following. ADD, add. THE, the. FOLLOWING, following. Add the following. Now look, how can we solve it? We have the sum 7474 plus 1. Again I want to repeat that we have to start from ones column. Here we have 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding 1 to it, we get 4 plus 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 7 is alone. So we have to write number 7 at tens place. So 74 plus 1, we get 75. 74 plus 1, we get number 7575. You all have to copy this sum with me. Whenever you are going to solve this type of addition or subtraction which are having tens and ones inside, make sure that you have to start solving from ones column only. You should not start solving from tens column. Okay? Everybody copy the sum 5050 plus 1, 0, 10. 5, 0, 50 plus 1, 0, 10. Completed. Now again I want to repeat that we have to start solving from 1's column only. We should not start solving from 10's column. So here we have a 0 plus a 0 at 1's place. So we get number 0. At 10's place we have 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. By adding 1 more to it, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which we have to copy here. For the whole sum we can say that 5, 0, 50 plus 1, 0, 10 is equal to 6, 0, 60. Okay? Is everyone understand? Very well done. Now copy the next sum. We have 6, 3, 63 plus 3, 0, 30. 6, 3, 63 plus 3, 0, 30. First of all, we are going to solve the 1's column where there is a 3 plus a 0. I repeat, here we have 3 plus a 0. So I want to tell you one more addition fact, that whenever we are going to add a 0 to any of the number, at the end we get the same number as the answer. So 3 plus a 0 we get 3. Okay? Now 6 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8 and 9. 6 plus 3 we get 9. We can say for the whole sum that 63 plus 30 is equal to 93. Okay? I hope you all understand how to solve at the following as per paper style. Solve the following word problems. SOLVE, solve, TSG, the, FOLLOWING, following, WORD, word, PROBLEMS, problems. Solve the following word problems. Okay? School picnic at the beach. I explained it that some students went to enjoy the picnic at the beach. What is the meaning of beach? BEACH, beach means seashore. STUDENTS, students at the picnic. 23 girls went, 25 boys. We have to find out how many students in all. Whenever you are having this type of word problems, first of all we have to prepare the equation. How can we prepare the equation? First of all, write the number first which we are having. Here we have 23 girls. So write down number 2, 3, 23. While writing the sums, make sure that you have to write the numbers properly in sequence. So After preparing the equation, we have to solve the sums. First of all, solve the ones column. There is a 3 plus 5. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We get 8. 2 plus 2. 2 after 3 and 4. At the end we get 4, 8, 48. So we can say that 48 students in all. In other ways, we can say that at the picnic there present 48 students all together. You all understand how to solve the word problem? We are going to take one more example. I think you all understand it well. Whenever you get this type of word problems, first of all, try to prepare the equation. While preparing the equation, make sure that you have to write the numbers properly. As here we have two numbers 2, 3, 23. 2 must stands in tens columns when 3 must in ones column. On the same way, the next number which you are having, that number of boys here. So write number 2 just below this number 2 at tens place and 5 at ones place. My dear students, word problems are very easy to understand, and I am sure that you can solve it well. So, my dear little students, we have completed the whole revision as per your maths paper style. First, we completed fill in the blanks. After that, write the name of given shapes where we understand about square, triangle, rectangle and circle. After that, we understand about add the following, how to solve addition. After that, we understand how to solve word problems. In our paper style, we are having complete the table also. For that, you have to prepare table of 3 and 4 only for this FA2 examination. In previous lectures, we already completed these tables in the form of complete the table. So I hope you all are ready for your FA2 examination. At last, note down the homework. Today in your homework, you have to make a revision of FA2 exams only. I am not going to give you any written work. You have to make revision with the help of these revision videos and the exercise which we have completed in these videos. So, best of luck to all my dear students. At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.